Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I have a very tiny packet. You will see what's inside. For me, I don't like to wear more jewelry. I love to wear the rings and the watch. So I ordered the watches. This is um, a watch which you can buy one and get two free. Now the offer in UAE. I don't know about the other country also. It's a Clarine watches. It has many colors, many shades, but the one I have bought, it's I think blue, white, and I don't know the other color. It also comes with this adjustment tool, and it's a waterproof watch, and it has a rose gold color, and the silver color. The one I buy. I'll show you one by one. Let's open it. So here is the white with rose gold, like 18 karat gold, not rose gold. This is the 18 karat golds. Look how cute are these, like small, lightweighted, and also these are waterproof, like you can wear it all day long inside the house, whatever you are doing, like you're doing the wudu, namaz, dishwashing. You don't need to remove your watch. It will not remove its colors. It will be remain like this all the time. Now the other color what I have, silver with the blue dial, like sky blue dial. See, I don't like blue colors so much, but this one is looking good, so I buy it. And the last color what I have, I will open it, just a second. This one, I think this is the gold with green. Yes, this is my first pick. I picked that one, and those two I get free with that one. So this is the gold color. That one is like 18 karat gold color. So all these three watches I have buying. I have buy. Tell me, how do you like it? Do you like the color? Which one is your favorite? And which one I should have like wear first? Let me know in the comment. Please like and subscribe my channel. Do thumbs up on all my video. Thank you. Bye.